Boot up over there. What's up guys, Dave here, back again with another episode of Tech UnRaveled, and today I have these, the Huawei FreeBuds 4i. So you know what we're gonna do, right? We're gonna do an audio test, a mic test, active noise cancellation, and of course a latency test. So sit back, relax, and let's do this. Let's go right meow. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and give the Huawei FreeBuds 4i a listen. I'm going to let you know what I think. I'm going to make sure we're cranked. Here we go. Oh yeah. Okay. Alright guys, so my initial impression is this. These are 80 bucks. And I think for sound quality, they're about 20 bucks too much. They sound okay, they sound good, but there's nothing special at this price point. I think there's a lot of other buds that sound better. They're good, 79 bucks, a little too much in my opinion. Let's go ahead, let's see how they hold up with the mic challenge. Let's do that right now. Alright guys, it is mic test time. Let's go ahead and start. This is the sound of my voice with the Huawei FreeBuds 4i Bluetooth earbuds. Let's go ahead and introduce some ambient sound into the background. Again, this is the sound of my voice with the Huawei FreeBuds 4i Bluetooth earbuds. How do they stack up? Let me know down in the comments below. It is time for the ANC test. Let's get Ted over here. We're gonna need his assistance. Pop these into Ted's ear holes. Bada bing. All right guys, so this would be the sound of my voice if we were speaking, if you had both earbuds in your ears. This is what it would sound like. There's currently no features turned on. Noise cancellation is turned off. Awareness mode is also turned off. So let's go ahead and start with awareness mode. So now this is what my voice would sound like if we were talking to each other in a quiet room with awareness mode turned on. Now let's switch it over to noise cancellation. Again, this is what my voice would sound like if we were having a conversation and noise cancellation was turned on. Everything should be really muffled right now. I just turned everything back off. Let's go ahead and introduce some ambient noise into the background. And the noise is playing at about 85 decibels, what it would be like if we were in a restaurant or a bar or just in a noisy area in general. So right now everything's turned off. I'm gonna go ahead and turn awareness mode on. So again, this is what my voice would sound like with awareness mode turned on. And then now with noise cancellation mode, everything should be really muffled. You shouldn't really be able to hear all of the noise around us if these are working well. What's up guys, Future Dave here, and I just watched all the footage back, so I had to jump in and create a new video to kind of explain what happened with the active noise cancellation test. It seemed like it didn't work, right? It seemed like something was off, like Ted wasn't on, but I redid the test, same results. I put them in my ears also and just tested out the ANC features, and they failed again. So it wasn't anything of my testing equipment. It was actually the earbuds themselves. They are not up to snuff. There's an issue with these, and maybe a software update will fix it. Maybe, not sure, but we'll find out in the future as Huawei continues to try to improve it. With that said, let's move on to the next test and see how they do. Let's go ahead and jump into the latency test. And as usual, we're gonna test this on not only iOS, but Android, so that way you can see how these react with both type of devices. For the Android device, we are going to be using a OnePlus 8 Pro, and for the iOS device, we are going to use a Apple iPhone 12 Pro Max. Up first is going to be the Android device, the OnePlus 8 Pro. Now let's switch it over to the iOS device. Alright guys, so there you have it. We went ahead and did audio, mic, ANC, and latency. What'd you think? Let me know down in the comments below. Are these a compelling pair of earbuds to you? Do you want them in your pocket? Let me know. This was Tech Unraveled, and I'll catch you in the next one.